day, viewers. Today we have Hyundai Sonata 2015 model. This car have alignment issue. So today we want to use our DaTo alignment machine DLW3002 to resolve this alignment issue on this car. Right here we have DaTo scissors lift to lift the car up. This is the front left target plate. This is the left rear target plate. This is the rear right target plate. This is the front right target plate. Now we are going to DaTo wheel alignment machine system. Now you go to 3D wheel alignment. From this page, you can get your alignment, vehicle data, customer info, lens feed, settings, update and backup. So we go to lens feed. Explorer time. Camera adjustments. Now you go to wheel alignment, click OK, start a new measurement. So on this page, customer info, this is a reference number, this is a VIN number, vehicle registration number, name, customer name, address, customer address, telephone number of customer, mileage of the car, which is kilometer, and mechanic. After filling it, you save it and go next. Now you have your vehicles. You have select a make. You can select by country. Now you have your Hyundai 2015 model and go next. Wheel alignment. Click OK.
Backward, please.
And push it back. After completion, you go next. This is rear wheel adjustment. As you can see, our camber is okay. Our toe also is okay from the rear. So you go next. This is front wheel adjust. Here you have your camber, you have your toe on the left hand side, and this is caster. On the right hand side, this is a caster. This is the camber, and this is your toe on the right hand side. So first we need to do the caster swing, because here we don't have values here. So after caster swing, that's when you can get your value on the caster. So become kingpin measure.
Turn the steering wheel to the left.
This time we want to turn the steering left and right and center, then lock the steering. Before turning the steering left and right, you have to remove the lock. This both lock, you have to remove it.
Please put the steering wheel in the middle.
Now, this is our caster, this is a camber, this is toe on the left hand side, this is caster, this is camber, and this is toe. This information is perfect. This machine is okay. And the vehicle also, after adjustment, this is our result. This is good. Okay? Vehicle is okay now. This is the result for the alignment. This is before adjustment, this is standard data, and this is after adjustment. You can save, then printing.
DaTo, the legendary leader of automotive equipment.